Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to block your caller ID on an iPhone. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now let's get this out of the way immediately right when I start the video. I was gonna use this iPhone to show you how to do this, okay? Now there's no SIM card in this iPhone, so one of the menus that I was gonna show you was gonna be unavailable, and then the battery died. So I can't turn it on right now. So I'm gonna tell you the process for doing it. I'm holding the iPhone that I would be using, but I can't show you right now because I'm using my current iPhone, as you can see in the reflection, to film this video. So I'm gonna tell you how to do it. It's really easy. You really don't even need to see me doing it because it's so simple. So when you're on your iPhone, okay, and I'll tell you the benefit of doing this towards the end of the video, so stay tuned towards the end because it's really, really useful. When you're on your iPhone, you're gonna click on the Settings app. So when you've clicked on the Settings app, okay, you're gonna be presented with a whole bunch of options. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see an option that says Phone, okay? You're gonna click the Phone option, so select the Phone option. Once you're in the Phone option, there's gonna be another option that says Show my caller ID. And I put that in quotes because that's the exact wording of it. Show my caller ID. You're going to select that option of show my caller ID. And then on that option, there's going to be one option at the top, which is to show it or not. And it's going to be a toggle switch on or off. Okay. If it is toggled on, then your iPhone is set to show your caller ID. So if you want to block your caller ID, you're going to toggle it off. So make sure that that toggle is off. Okay. So to sum it up and make it really simple, you're going to go to the Settings app. Then you're going to scroll and select Phone. Then you're going to scroll and select Show My Caller ID. And then you're going to select the toggle of Show My Caller ID off. So Settings app, scroll and select Phone, scroll and select Show My Caller ID, and then turn off the toggle to make sure your caller ID is blocked and not shown. Now, the benefit to this is that, like every carrier, as far as I know, at least where I live in Canada, certain carriers allow you to block your phone number temporarily by doing a certain number pattern before you dial the phone number. And that's great and fantastic if you want to block your number once. But if you want to block your number all the time through your iPhone or just for a temporary point in time, it's very useful because you can call your carrier and have them block your number permanently, right? That's totally up to you. But let's say you're going to make 10 calls for work and you don't want those calls for work to show your phone number, your personal cell phone number, so you can block your caller ID for the next however long you want to by turning off that toggle. That's it. It's that easy. I'm sorry I couldn't show you how to do it on the phone, but literally, if you listen to what I said, it's that simple. I mean, I feel like there would be virtually no benefit to me showing you how it's done because it's that simple. Once again, just to clarify, go to your Settings app, scroll and select Phone, scroll and select Show My Caller ID, and then make sure that toggle is turned off to block your caller ID from being shown. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.